I'm gonna show you how to replace oil filter on a Toyota Camry 1995 4-cylinder. These engines are really good, but the setup they put the filter facing up to you, it's hard to put the wrench on it. See, this is the wrench that you're supposed to use. It's just impossible to use it. I mean, it's not impossible, it's just hard. But this wrench you can get it in Amazon really cheap. I bought it 2019. Well, today is 17 bucks. Okay, so I got it for a long time and I've been using it a lot. So you put an extension in it, 3/8, you put it in and you just twist it. That's it. Man, I'm surprised this filter was loose. Oh wow. Okay, so make sure you put a oil pan underneath to catch the oil. You take it out. Okay, make sure the filter comes with the O-ring when you pull it out. You don't want to leave the O-ring there. Okay, now you got it out, you got your new filter. You put a little bit grease on it, and all you gotta do now, you just tighten them up. You're gonna tighten them up by hand. Okay, you put it in and tighten them up. It's hard to do this with one hand. I don't know what I'm holding the phone. I got the freaking holder right here. That's okay. I don't want to make a long video anyway. Okay, as much as you can by hand. Oops, got my finger on it. And that's it. Before you change your oil, do the filter first so everything drains back in. Now you can drain the oil, fill it up, and that's it. And that's how you change the oil. And one more thing I like to do in my finger. Every time I do oil change, I put a date. In this case, it's 3/13/25. You can put the miles on it. I just like to put the date on it, and that's how I go. So this is how you change the filter. 1995 Toyota Camry. Good luck.